Oh boy.
Welcome to Darbone.
Goodness gracious, that was B mode.
What's going on, guys, and welcome to Po Boys. And to start this video off,
there is a freaking Kawasaki Ninja 650 behind me.
This is a bike that Karsten's just bought. Karsten's is the guy that sold me my $100 motorcycle. He's Tanner's roommate. He's actually a paramedic, so he's working right now. So we actually picked the bike up for him. He just gave us the cash, test drove it, and it runs very well. So we're gonna ride this thing home. And just because of the fun of it, if you don't notice this spot right here, it probably doesn't look anything similar to like it did before. Right there is where we bought Meet the Miata. Isn't that weird? I'll pull up the video if it's there, but we bought Meet the Miata right in that parking lot. Gavin jumped over Meet the Miata in that Dairy Queen parking lot right there. Super small world. This man Karsten's gonna do his first burnout ever. Let's go. Let's go, you did a freaking burnout.
Got to a toasty 10,000 RPM.
Did you shift?
No.
Oh, okay. Shift? Yeah, you shift. You don't hold it up there so far. You shift it and then it just gets the tire spinning and more smoke going.
You think it has another burnout in it?
Oh, yeah.
Easy.
Oh, yeah. It was a good burnout though.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we just got the other drift car brake caliper put on, and we're gonna go ahead and return the tool. Karsten's new bike is out there, so we're gonna go ahead and return the tool. It's in his backpack because mine actually got stolen, which I'll tell you about that later on, but let's go ride bikes. So I will be riding Tanner's F4i, which we've ridden with him before. This will be the first time y'all have seen me ride this bike. It is a CBR 600. It is a 2001. We've done brakes on this bike. We've done a few other miscellaneous things on this bike. We also have Karsten's riding too, and he's a very new rider. We literally picked this thing up a few days ago, got it completely registered, titled, insured, everything is done. So without further ado, let's get started on a ride. Let's go ahead, go to the parts store, drop off that brake caliper tool, and then let's go on a ride.
Do it.
Got the reverse mode on this thing. Good to go. Yeah, this thing is loud, I'll tell you that one. We'll make our way up here. So glad the microphone setup's doing a lot better for y'all. I'll be right back. Yes, worked great. Thank you very much. Gracias. Let's go. I'm gonna bump start it. Wow, this truck smells like donuts. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It smells like there was a diesel truck running on like fryer grease because it smells like donuts. My dad used to do that with his Duramax. He had an LLY. It was an 05.5 LLY, and he put fryer grease in it from McDonald's and just filtered the crap out of it. It smelled like daggum donuts. It smelled like a donut shop. It was one of the best freaking things ever, honestly. Oh my jump. Oh my goodness. This bike obviously is a little quick. It's an F4i, it's a 600. It's got some juice behind her step.
I'll tell you how many times I've been in an ambulance and I've wanted to be on a motorcycle on the road.
Well, let's go, we're about to do it. Wow, Karsten's, you did good with this one. Karsten's is an ambulance driver, and he's like, do you know how many times I wanted to ride this road on a motorcycle, but I've been driving the ambulance. I was like, I feel you there. So we're finally riding this road on a bike. He's finally on his own bike, riding his first road. He'd use this bike a time or two. Well, a time or two. He'd use this bike for like 6 months to go to work. There's a Moe's Fresh Market, baby. Moe's. What you getting at Moe's today, baby? What you getting? What type of food we got down there at Moe's now? Oh yeah now. Oh yeah now. Yeah now. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I say let's go. Oh boy.
Welcome to Darbone.
Let's get this spaghetti. We have got Ian with us, Karsten's, and we're leaving Wendy's.
You're on a white line, right?
Hi, Dan. Oh wow, they got some fires going on. Oh, there was a bird. Oh my gosh. Ian just asked me if I would like to drive the R1, the 2021 R1. I think I'm gonna take his offer and accept and ride it, which I know has to be a very humble thing because it's one of those bikes that is not very forgiving, and it'll let you know that you are not a god. You are legitimately just a piece of meat, and this machine will destroy you. We're leaning, baby. We are leaning. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Race car. That was some MotoGP type stuff right there, bro. That was crazy. I hate that my camera and microphone clips. I already know that that was gonna clip because I used a high-pitched voice. I need to get a better microphone. Problem is I bought 2 good microphones and they were in my backpack and that got stolen. Oh. That thing is stupid. I think it was way too fast.
Alright, I'm gonna do one for you. Feel it out.
What a bike.
With D mode, and then we're gonna swap it into A mode, and then we're gonna unrestrict it in A mode, and you're gonna feel 3 of the 27 power differences on this bike.
Sick.
And then we'll change it to A mode, and then we'll run it this way, and we can stop like right here or something.
Okay.
And then we'll unrestrict it, and then.
Okay. Sick. Oh my goodness. What a bike. Whoa. Everything's just so new. Oh my goodness. That is a 2021 R1 for you folks. What a bike this is. Thank you very much to Ian. He is on Fit Garage YouTube channel if you want to see him. He's riding Carson's bike. That's Simon's bike. That's what I've been riding. But he's letting me ride this thing, which is a freaking unit right here. It weighs like nothing. I really feel like I could throw this bike and do whatever I want with it. It is crazy. So, let's get on the road. Oh. Oh my gosh, like just the fact of the shifting is so clean. Oh my goodness gracious, that was B mode. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
That's the slowest mode it has.
Sick.
Okay, now you see that those little gray buttons?
Yes.
Click the up one. Do it again. Do it again. Alright, now you're in A mode.
A mode.
The power is there, but it's restricted on like trash control, lift control. It's got control settings where it doesn't lets you kill yourself as much.
Okay.
But the power is there. It's not going to come in until top end, so you don't wheelie, but the power is there.
Okay.
So now feel that, and then we're going to go back to where we just stopped, and then we'll take all the stuff off, and then let you feel like raw, just you and the motor underneath you.
Holy
No
cow.
motor, no nothing.
All right, let's get it. Bye, Felicia. Holy cow. I mean, I couldn't get up to 6th. It was not happening. Not an A mode. Oh my goodness. I am shooketh. That was meaty.
Are you using the quick shifter? Are you coming off the throttle to shift?
Yes.
Don't come off the throttle. Hold it, shift, 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 shift.
Okay.
And then on downshift, all you have to do is you have to be all the way off the throttle and you can downshift.
Okay.
Take it down. Push the nose button. Now hold the up arrow. This is unrestricted. You took everything off.
All right.
Feel it out.
I'm going to feel it out. I'm not going to just do a pull. I'm just going to feel it out.
Yeah. Get like a couple power feels.
Uh-huh.
Make sure you use the quick shifter. The quick shifter is nice.
Oh, this is weird. Oh, the quick shifter's nice. What is that? What are those? No clutch, no nothing, full throttle. Next gear, all the way off, down a gear. What in the world? I'm not touching the clutch, I'm not rev matching, I'm not doing anything. This is crazy. What a bike this is, dude. It's got so much stuff. And if I downshift, I'm in second. Just like that. We're in second, baby. What is this world? My hands are sore from holding on to the bars, I'll tell you that already. That'll come with riding 1000s. I just downshifted into first without touching the clutch. At like 25. What? It just feels so fantastical. It's so great.
You can ride it in the curve.
It's insane.
It wants to lay over.
Welcome to, I don't know what day this is, but day like 4 from the vlog. It's just comprised of a lot of different days. We've got, I don't know if you could see in the rearview mirror as good as I could see, but we've got Ian and Tanner. But we're on the VFR 800. We're doing some fun stuff. What's up, boys? I saw it. I saw it. Beep beep. Sicko mode. Time to fuel these dudes up. Get back. Oh boy, we're trying to figure out where we're going. It's raining right now, so we're attempting to find a gas station.
That gravel road that we passed back there, that was the road we need to take.
Oh, okay.
So let's go back to 33 and shoot straight up 33.
All right. I'm following you.
All right.
Just be careful on the turns. Oh boy. We're going into the rain, Ian. This is the wrong direction. Dude, my phone's getting soaked. What are we even doing? What are we even doing? Alright, now my shirt is completely soaked. Even more soaked. And now the most soaked.
had time.